Hello everyone. Today I'll guide you step by step on how to apply the 2% service tax exemption for rental or leasing services in SQL Account. Following the latest customs notice dated the 27th of January 2026 under Service Tax Policy to 2025. First, log into SQL Account and go to Tools, Maintain Tax. Add or select the SVOE 2% service tax exemption tax rate, then save the setup. Next, create a new invoice and select your customer. Key in the rental fee, for example 1,000 Malaysian ringgits, and apply the normal 6% service tax using the tax code SV. After that, add an adjustment of the 2% tax exemption under tax code of SVOE. Then choose the 2% exemption and it will show -2. Last step, we need to key in the reversal amount by entering it as negative amount. This adjustment is for reporting purposes only, so make sure the printable option is unticked as it will not appear on the invoice. Finally, preview the report to check that the tax amount and tax exemption amount are reflected correctly. With this setup, your invoice remains compliant and the figures will flow accurately into your SSTO to returns.